The human brain must continue to frame the problems for the electronic machine to solve. A fond greeting to one and all. We are from EC Department, RMD Engineering College. We are here to present the detailed working of the mini project on the subject EC8004 wireless networks. Our team mentor, Ms. R. Hemalata Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of EC. Our team members, Manisha, Kritika, and Niveta. We all are aware of the pandemic situation. The main practice we are doing to avoid the spread of virus is social distancing. This thought created a spark to the development of the mini project named Cell Phone Controlled Fingerprint Solenoid Door Lock using Arduino and HC05 Bluetooth. With the advent of technology, the normal locks are becoming biometric based locks which can be accessed by our fingerprint or through our phone via Bluetooth. Now we will see the components and working of the project.
The components used here include both hardware and software. In hardware, we are using Arduino UNO, which is an open source electronic board based on easy to use hardware and software. This board is equipped with a set of digital analog input and output pins that may be interfaced to various expansion board and other circuits. Bluetooth HC05 module, which is an easy to use Bluetooth SPP serial port protocol module designed for transparent wireless serial connection setup. Relay module 2 channel 5 volt, which is a relay interface board. It can be controlled directly by a wide range of microcontrollers such as Arduino. Solenoid lock. The solenoid lock denotes latch for electrical locking and unlocking. The 12-volt solenoid lock has a slug with a slanted cut and a good mounting bracket. It is basically an electronic lock designed for a basic cabinet, safe or door. A 9-volt battery connecting wires, USB cable. And software components are Arduino IDE and Cordula app.
Now we'll see the working principle of this project. First, the USB cable from Arduino is connected to the laptop. From the right side part of the Arduino, 3 wires are connected in the pin interrupt, transmit data pin and receive data pin. The wire from the interrupt pin is connected to the first input pin of relay, and the wire from the transmit data pin and receive data pin is connected to the other side of the Arduino in the 5-volt pin, and then it is grounded. The other wire is connected to the other grounded pin of Arduino to the grounded of relay. We have connected the Arduino with HC05 Bluetooth module and relay module to the solenoid input port. So the connection will make sure the working process of fingerprint unlocking and locking with respective identity. From the 9-volt battery, one terminal is connected to the solenoid and the other terminal is connected to the common point of relay. From the solenoid, similarly, one terminal is connected to the 9-volt battery and the other terminal is connected to the normally open pin of relay. We have to connect our Bluetooth module to the phone. Next, we have to press the fingerprint. While pressing it, the solenoid lock will get open. After 6 seconds, it will automatically return to the closed position. Conclusion. By analyzing the statistical data of present COVID cases, we created a working prototype which can avoid the spread of COVID cases by touching the door lock. This is the overall working of the project. This project in the real time that will help people to avoid the spread of viruses. Thank you.